Welcome back to another video. Oh man, feels good to be back home after vacation, you know. But you know, vacation's necessary once in a while, so get your vacation in, relax, and then you know, get back to reality. We still haven't finished unpacking, clearly, but you want to meet the new member of the familia? Come over here, bro. Bang. Escobar. You know, like Pablo Escobar. Say what's up. Say what's up. You don't want to say what's up. So for today's video, we're gonna be installing the side splitters and the front splitter, hopefully, if I have enough time. I got 2 weeks before the show I'm gonna go to starts, so it's May 5th. So that's like in 2 weeks. So I'm trying to bang this out. I'm gonna start throwing the interior pieces back on. And because I think, don't quote me, but my interior should be done soon. So here's everything. Here's the front splitter. I'm gonna be replacing the one I have right there because this is not carbon, so no carbon fiber. Side splitter. This is the, so I started a vlog like 2 weeks ago unboxing this one, and it turns out I only had one, so I have to wait for this one to come in. And this one better be the passenger side, because if it's the driver's side, that is no bueno. What the fuck? Bruh. So, when I ordered this one, it just had the driver's side one, right? So I hit them up and I was like, yo, I need the passenger side one. And bro, they sent me two. They sent me two, bro. What the hell, bro? So here I got 1, 2, 3 splitters, bro. So I got an extra driver's side splitter. That is so clutch. I just told them to send me the passenger side, and I got 3 now. So, but thank God they sent me another one, because the first one I got was scratched up right here in the corner. I don't know if you can see it, but it's fucked up right there. I think I'm gonna throw these on first, and then this one after. So I have to take off my lip and take this one off. So I'm gonna throw those on first. So this should be a quick install, hopefully. They already come pre-drilled right there with some hardware. So let's see how it goes. So I got the jack and some styrofoam right here to hold up the splitter while I drill it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So here she is, guys. The a couple screws down there. It's Gucci. Pretty solid too, to be honest. I'm gonna bang out the other side real quick and then start the front. So I banged out this side in like legit like 3 minutes, super quick. So real quick before I start this one, I'm gonna air it out real quick. You know how we do. There she is, guys. Alright, so now I'm gonna start the front one now. So this front one's gonna be a hassle because I gotta take off the lip, because instead of screwing it up, I screwed it down when I had the lip off. So, oh man, I have a feeling my paint's gonna start cracking. This thing is full of 3M tape, so. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is dirty. Oh man, look how filthy this is. Oh my god. Filthy. Oh boy. Oh yes. It's off. Oh man, it's so dirty. So take this off, wipe all this, clean it, you know, make it look good again. And then I might have to go buy some more 3M tape because I don't have any right now. So I'm gonna use some Adams polish, what is it, detail spray, to get all this gunk off, and then I'll wipe it down with some alcohol. So the 3M tape could, you know, stick on. It looks so weird without the lip and the splitter. But real quick before I start that, I have to go to probably 7-Eleven and get some 3M tape. It's starting to drizzle, bro, and I left everything outside, bro. So better hurry up. So it did start to drizzle. So I put everything on the porch. I'm going to take this splitter off, put this one on the same way. That way I don't have to jack up the car or anything, and then when I have the chance, I will throw it on. Oh, what you guys think about my shirt, bro? You know, you just gotta send it, bro. You know, send it. Fuck it. So the splitter is on the lip now, so as you can see, screwed on, and then I have to clean all this and then add the 3M tape. So I threw on the splitter. I did it real quick because I'm trying to bang this out quick because it's raining. Well, it's not raining right now, but it's like on the verge. But yo, this shit looks so good. Oh man. And by the way, this splitter is for the sport bumper, and mine is not the sport bumper, so but it worked out. Oh man. And it flows so good with that side splitter and the diffuser. Oof. I just gotta put the screws on the side and then I'm good. Oh my God. Bruh. This shit looks nasty. Oh my God. Hiya. Oh my god. Oh my god. I still want to do something here. I want to pick this up somehow. But if I pick it up too much, I feel like it's gonna crack the carbon. So I don't know. I'm gonna see what I do. I feel like it makes the car look so much lower now. Cause like the side splitter is like on the floor, almost. See? And then this one makes it look so much more aggressive. Oh my god.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months. Had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your bae on the run, like I'm Jay-Z in this bitch. I don't smoke a lot, but I get green. But ball out, no SBs. I caught you out, you got served with that beat stop, no step team. I came through and that's real shit. No, Novocaine, but I feel this. Feel the kid when I feel banks. I still be spitting that Will Smith. I shut it down, we do that. Hell yeah, we knew that. Little girl gave me them crazy eyes. Orange is that new black. That cold, that's why I think about it. Trust me, that's why I drink about it.
That's it for today, guys. Yeah, it's raining, so I gotta stop it here. Let me know what you guys think. You know, carbon out, you know, carbon fiber out. I like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, you know, and I'll see you on the next one. Hasta la vista, bye bye.